All right, how you doing? Back to answer some more questions. Today's question, I've had this a few times actually, like 3 or 4 times, is this: why are there fat vegans? So first of all, I'm not going to use the word fat, I'm going to use the word overweight, just in case the word police get onto me and I offend anyone. The bottom line is, well, first of all, I'm not a doctor, you know that, don't you? So this is just my opinion. But the reason that you get overweight vegans is because what they eat. So most vegans obviously are not overweight and watch what they eat and have made a conscious decision about what they're doing and blah, 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 blah. But the enemy of all of us are 3 things. It's oil, sugar, and salt. And that is in everything. So for example, let's get a carrot, lovely and healthy. Let's fry that in some sugary, salty batter. It's going to taste amazing. Like, it will taste amazing. Like fried chicken, KFC and that stuff. It tastes amazing. But it's because of the amount of oil, the amount of sugar, and the amount of salt in everything. So it's just, they're the enemies of not just vegans, everyone. Everyone, in my opinion, it's just, it's that that's doing us in. And the quality of also what we eat as well. You can get like I said, we go to a fast food place and get a burger for $1 or $2 or whatever. The ingredients cannot be amazing, can they? They just can't be. And that company is trying to make money. I'm not going to name any of them. Obviously, there's the big ones, but they're trying to make money. So they cut on all quality as much as they can to make profit. Whereas if you went out and sort of, got yourself some, a really nice cut of steak or something and ground that up, baked your own bread, got some organic, or sort of, from the garden, lettuce and tomato, you've got a great burger. So if you just compare that burger with that burger, this one, the one that has got quality in it, is actually nothing wrong with it. You can eat a lovely burger. You can live on them forever. But this one is got loads of sugar in it, loads of fat in it, and loads of salt in it to make it kind of taste great. Now, the other thing is, like getting back to the vegan thing. So I just want to point out that there's a few things that are vegan that you probably don't know, like Oreos. Oreos are vegan. Coca-Cola is vegan. So if you sit on your bum all day and don't do any exercise and eat Oreos and Coke, drink Coca-Cola, or most of all of the other drinks, you're vegan. You're going to get overweight, aren't you? I nearly said fat then, didn't I? But yeah, you're going to get overweight. Like Budweiser, Coors, Guinness, Heineken, all that beer. It's vegan. You just want to sit and drink beer all day. Don't do any exercise to balance it out. Hershey chocolate syrup is vegan. There's other things like, what's another vegan thing that I've found? Some packets of Doritos, they're vegan. Not all of them. There's some, but yeah, there's some. French fries. Guess what they are? Vegan. So what we can do is we can sit down on our bum and be vegan, do no exercise, and have Pop Tarts. That's another thing. Pop Tarts are vegan. Pop Tarts for breakfast, followed by a Coca-Cola. Sit and eat a packet of Doritos. Eat some Oreos. You're vegan. So it's all about what you eat. So that's the reason why surely you would get some overweight vegans. Most of them aren't though, are they? Let's be honest. Anyway, look, I made a documentary about a year or maybe even 2 years ago. And I'm going to leave that. It'll pop up at the end. And it's called Stop Eating Shit. And I really want you to watch it because in that I explain that it's the quality of what we're eating. And the enemy really is oil, sugar, and salt. And it's that thing, this is not my quote, I can't remember who said it now, some doctor, which is fantastic. He said that we asked the food industry to feed us. And they've done a great job at that. We didn't ask them to feed us well though. We just said feed us. And they've done a great job at that. And the corporations have got together, done their thing, and we eat rubbish. So yeah, that's why you get overweight vegans. And please watch that little documentary. It's only like half an hour long or something. It'll pop up in a minute. Yeah, it's called Stop Eating Shit. Yeah, and we eat shit all the time. I'll see you later.